Hello students, I am Gayatri Miss and today I am going to teach you GK of class UKG and the topic name is People at Work. P-E-O-P-L-E people, A-T at W-O-R-K work. People at work means those are helping in our society and giving service to other people. In our social environment, we should take care of each other and they care us too. That's why they are our helpers. So my dear students, now I would like to teach you one by one these all our helpers. So the first is D-O-C-T-O-R, doctor. You can see in this picture. Who is he? He is doctor. So my dear students, a doctor has know how to treat and cure sick people. A doctor is a great friend of the sick people. He always speaks politely so that the patients feel comfortable. A doctor is a person with a profession to treat and cure sick people. A doctor looks after the sick person and prescribes medicines that give them relief. He is an important person. He gets up early in the morning and goes to his clinic. He works day and night. We should be grateful to the doctor. Now, the next is N-U-R-S-E, nurse. You can see in this picture, my dear, says nurse. So, my dear students, nurse is very hardworking. She works day and night. Nursing career is the greatest service to mankind. It is a noble profession. She wears white uniform and puts on a cap on her head. She is very polite towards others. Thus, her job is to take complete care of patients. She assists the doctor, follow the instructions carefully. She is also known as the Sister of Mercy. They are trained professionals. Sometimes they look after the patients in the absence of doctor. She is a kind nature, always smiling and cheerful. No hospitals run efficiently without nurse. Now the next is dentist. D-E-N-T-I-S-T, dentist. So my dear student, the dentist is a doctor who is specially trained to care for teeth. When you visit for a checkup, your dentist will look at your teeth and gums to check for any problems. The dentist also wants to make sure your teeth are developing properly as you grow. Dentists are trained to diagnose, prevent, and treat various problems associated with the teeth and the mouth. It is the job of the dentist to closely monitor the mouth using various instruments and properly suggest treatment. Now, the next is F-A-R-M-E-R, farmer. So, my dear students, I would like to show you the picture of farmer. Yes, a farmer is an important person for every country. They grow crops in the field. Farmer leads a very simple life. Every day they work hard. I respect all the farmer. They wake up early in the morning and work hard all day. Sunshine and heavy rain cannot stop them. We get all the fresh vegetables and other crop from our farmer. Farmer is the heart of our country. They grow crops and supply for our country. farmer is essential for human survival. Now the next is driver, driver. So I would like to show you. Yes, you can see in this picture, my dear students. He is driver. Bus driver transports people between a variety of places, including work, school, shopping, and across country. Some bus drivers have regular routes and other transport passengers or ride-sharing tours. A bus driver waiting for passengers to board the bus. He follows a planned route on a time schedule. He follows safety rules to make sure all passengers are safe. Now, I would like to teach you about bus conductor. B-U-S, bus, C-O-N-D-U-C-T-O-R, conductor, bus conductor. Now, my dear student, you can see he is bus conductor. He is calling to the student. One girl, she is here and he is calling to come in the bus. A bus conductor is the most important part of public transport system. A bus conductor is a useful public servant. Wherever buses run, we can see the bus conductor. His dress is always shabby and leather bag hang by his left shoulder. A bus conductor is very powerful in the bus. He gives one pull and the bus comes to stop. So, my dear, now I would like to explain you about cobbler. C-O-B-B-L-E-R, cobbler. You can see in this picture, my dear students. Yes, a cobbler does a humble job. He makes an honest living by mending shoe. Cobbler is one who mend our shoe. A cobbler is also called shoemaker. He is very helpful to us. He also plays an important role in society. He is a mender or maker of shoe and often of other leather goods. Now the next is B-A-R-B-A-R, barber. You can see, my dear students, a barber is someone who cuts hair. Barber is a person whose occupation is to cut and style hair and shave beards. Barber helps us to manage our hair. Barber works in salon. Now the next is cook. C-O-O-K, cook. Now you can see in this picture, my dear students, cook is a person who prepares food for eating. Cook works in the kitchen of restaurants, hotels, etc. He creates the menu to prepare the food. Now the next is astronaut. A-S-T-R-O-N-A-U-T, astronaut. You can see in this picture, my dear students, an astronaut is a person who is specially trained to travel into outer space. Astronauts aboard a spacecraft may have different responsibilities. There is a commander who leads the mission and a pilot. An astronaut is a special kind of scientist that takes a spaceship to outer space to study things like asteroids, the Earth's atmosphere, and the moon. Now, you can see in this picture, my dear student. Now, the next is teacher. T-E-A-C-H-E-R, teacher. So, my dear student, you can see teacher is teaching to students. So, a teacher is a person who helps children and other person to learn and progress in life. A teacher takes the responsibility of his students. They feel pride and honor to direct their students on the right path of the life. Teachers teach lessons about reading, writing, maths, and other important subjects. Teachers help children when they have a problem. They help them exploring new things and also creating new things. Now, I would like to teach you about tailor. 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 You can see, my dear students, in this picture. Yes, a tailor is an important part of our society. A tailor helps society by tailoring clothing to suit different individuals. He works on the garments, making the dress look beautiful. Tailor work is very hard work. He has a sewing machine. The tailor has his own shop where he keeps sewing machine and other tools. He always keeps tools in his shop like scissors, needle, thread, scale, pencil, measuring glass, etc. So, my dear students, like this you will study at home, people at work from your book. Thank you.